My birthday is on the 6th of October, the same day this video is being dropped on. And I just turned 21 today, so here are 20 more facts about me. I'm also going to talk about what does Sankew mean, so stick along till the end. I'm 6 feet in height. Here's a tree for reference. My name is Sankew and that's why this channel is called Sankew. But this channel wasn't called Sankew in the beginning. There were 3 name changes before I stuck with Sankew. To anyone who's been watching me since the Gadget Drone or Gadget Forever days, thank you. For a brief amount of time, I even called this channel Tech Buzz. How did I even come up with these names? But I'm glad I stuck with Sankew and the amount of channel intros I made for those channels. Very interesting. Oh my god, these intros are too long for no reason. But this channel isn't my first rodeo on YouTube. My first channel was called Tech Geeks Now HD, still alive with a whopping 6 subscribers. Then a channel which I started with a couple of friends, which only lasted 3 months until someone hit the delete button. I hate you. And then this channel, I'm glad I kept creating. Where am I from? Well, to those eagle eyes who already spotted where I shoot my videos at, yes, I'm studying at VIT Vellore. But I'm actually from UAE and I've shot a lot of videos there too. I'm currently studying computer science at VIT Vellore and I'm almost done with it. It is also the reason why I don't upload frequently. The amount of assignments I have to finish, oh my god. My most used apps in order are YouTube, X, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Apple Music. I love cameras. Taking photos is one of my favorite hobbies. I'm often excited to see how all of these phone brands stack up with new tech in their cameras. And you also may have noticed, I spend way more time on cameras than anything on my reviews. Speaking of cameras, what do I shoot on? Well, it's just my iPhone. I'd go as far as to say it's as good as using a mirrorless camera. I do have a Canon 550D, but the shots I get with it don't look good as the iPhone. I try my best to use the iPhone more like a proper camera and it gets the job done. Not that I don't want to scale up, but this is good enough. For the longest time, I never used to like iPhones. I used to be that Android fanboy who just loved tinkering around my phone. But I love macOS and I got swirled into the whole ecosystem thanks to my MacBook, and I haven't looked back at Android ever since then. Crazy times. Apart from tech and cameras, I do like running and playing basketball. That's why I'm pretty tall. I fidget a lot, but with things that I should probably not fidget with, like my phone. I've been running this channel for about 5.5 years. I started at 2015, but I stopped uploading in 2018 until I decided to kickstart it back again in 2020. And I figured what I should focus on from 2021. Tech reviews and explainers. Up until then, I used to just upload some random tech tutorials like how to install Play Store on BlackBerry or 5 reverse camera techniques? What? Or even better, channel updates. What? It took me 3 years of doing YouTube to properly speak in front of the camera. Oh my god, I'm literally struggling in this. But now I can shoot these videos worry-free without making any mistakes. I've only ever done one sponsored video in all my time doing YouTube. I don't want to take up on a paid or a sponsored video unless the thing I'm talking about is something that's actually useful, interesting, or something that I would use in my everyday life. I want to make my videos as organic as possible. I quite often get asked, what do I use to edit? Final Cut Pro. No joke, I've gone through the spiral of editing softwares from Windows Movie Maker to DaVinci Resolve to eventually settling on Final Cut Pro. It is easy to quickly cut up and start working on my videos. Editing is the most daunting task I have. I spend way more time perfecting and making sure my video is not gonna waste your time. Apart from editing, I waste way more time scripting my videos. There are plenty of videos on any product nowadays, and I don't want to fall into the same crowd. I want to make sure my videos are way more interesting, full of essential info, and easy to understand. I'm a one-man crew and that's pretty obvious with my channel size, but it's at times that I need to shoot outside. I call in a few of my friends to help me out. I know these talking heads can get pretty boring, so I try to switch it up every now and then. A lot of you call me Mr. Hoosterboss V2 or MKBHD but Indian. I know my video style is very similar to theirs, and I'm not going to deny that. I grew up watching MKBHD and Mr. Hoosterboss, and they're also the reason why I even started my YouTube channel. I like the analytical and fun aspect of Arun and the information dense and simple nature of Marcus. And my videos are a good blend of both of them. I'd be really happy if anyone can get any one of them to watch my videos. This year has been epic in terms of channel growth. I hit 5,000 subscribers at the start of this year, and I'm genuinely thankful for everyone who's been watching and commenting nice things in my videos. You're the real MVPs. And if you also want to join that, then a sub to this channel would be epic. And it would be amazing if I can hit 8,000 subs by the end of this year. Alright then, time to get to the last one. What does Sankew mean? S stands for smartphones. I love phones and I like talking about them. A stands for analytical. Instead of talking about something from face value, I try to use it and give sensible opinions. N stands for next gen. I love cutting edge tech and I'm really excited to see what's there for the future. K stands for knowledge. I'm pretty knowledgeable about tech and I try to make sure everything's easy to understand. E stands for enthusiastic. I'm pretty enthusiastic about new tech and I don't push out anything by face value. And W stands for wearable. I love wearable tech. It's also the reason why I use an Apple Watch. Or I completely made that up for the sake of this video. 100k subs and I'll tell what Sankew means.